Today I will make this video in the sense of how to speak English fluently. So I am a new buyer in English, so I just using a simple example how the weather condition right now. So right now in our village, weather condition is very scorching. Means there inside outside the home it will be very heat wave will be going outside, so many people dehydrated. So dehydrated means in the in human body blood will be less, so going outside is very difficult and very difficult. So people when in the room or in home, so he feels like sweating because uh, because uh, because outside the home heat wave will be going on. So right now the condition will be when people going outside and inside a home he feels like a sweating because perspirations or sweat will be in the body, so there will be many of sweating inside his body. He he felt like very bad. So people in the morning and the evening things to baths, but many of people don't bath in today and tomorrow after 2 and 3 days not bathing, and then people will feel like very bad, and some some uh, sore also in the body will be uh, causes. After when swelling will be come, the because the moisture in the environment will be very high, so humidity right now will be it maybe 70 to 80%. So that the our environment will be very hot. So right now 2 3 days before the storm will be coming, and it will be very big storm in our area in the village, in this village. So there will be like that lighting in heaven, in in the in the sky, and many people going to outside. Uh, he struggled to come home because the lightning in the sky and some thunder it will be happen outside the home. After some time rainfall will be going on, and rainy uh, happen running happen outside. So there will be in the road and some uh, places like garden, there will be mud, and where some people will be going, then mud will be, and some puddle also there will be. So people when some small kids in going to laughing and jumping in the puddle, and feel happy like that. So in this rainy season many of drainage will be not correct. So if in the Bihar there will be many of drainage system will be not working properly, so there will be many of water will be clouded form in the place of a road, so many people struggle to go on the market and some other place also. So because the drainage system will be not good in the Bihar and some other place also in the Bihar. In previously, I told that monsoon not coming right now, means right now coming month going on July. So monsoon will be generally come in June and June. But right now in July, not monsoon will be come in the July season. There will be means one season will be going on, but going on. I think that maybe rainfall happen in this month, and going to after 3 and 4 month maybe. So this will be like our climate in the India. So in the different place climate will be different. So generally in Bihar and some other place in the India, generally rainy season will be like June to September is going on.